मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलम तनूहरि मंगलम तनूहरि मंगलम तनूहरि सुगंध शीतल पवन मंद सुगंध शीतल बंसी पट तट निकट यमुना बंसी पट तट निकट यमुना वृंदावन की कुंजगरी
Five, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 beats are done out of 16. How many are remaining? 8. So from 9th beat it's a khali. This was a tali. Now we should show khali. How is khali shown? Khali is shown like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. It comes to 1. That's called sum. The first beat is called sum. One cycle, no? One avartan. One cycle and you come to first beat again, that is called sum. Okay, now you can all count like continuously. 1, 2, with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you should remember that ninth is a khali. Ninth beat is a khali. You should show like this. No clapping on that. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Okay. Now you learned how to count, how it is put on hand. You should learn the bowls as well. What is bowl? Bowl is what we play on tabla. So just like English alphabets ABCD, we have few bowls which is composed. There are 10 bowls basically which are used in tabla, and permutations and combinations of different bowls we get different things. So when it comes to teen tal, what is the bowl? So there are 16 beats. First 4 are dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha.
You can try next beat also. Okay. 2, 3, start. Okay.
Hey, ah, hey, tick, ta, tick, tick, hey. Once more, ah, hey, tick, ta, tick, tick, hey. Once more, ah, hey, tick, ta, tick, tick, hey.
Can I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. With the hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Understood? You have to do this 3 times. Last time. Okay, hold. 1, 2, 3.